I kind of know what they mean, but we're going to see anyway. So this, I think, is campus mobile hotspot. You guys can see that. So this is the mobile hotspot. I think because of that, it has its own little things. This is the campus scholar, universal campus university kit. Now I'll show you the unboxing assignment and enter it on gift card. Here's how I recorded unboxing, post Instagram, tag, hearts, whatever. It tells you how to do that. This is the laptop. Yeah, I'm not sure what they got from you guys see on Instagram or TikTok, but they got like sweaters and stuff. So I'm not sure if that was just like a promotional thing or whatever, but this is, I'm going over a minute. Sure. Why is this thing so hard to open? I don't want to rip it. Okay, I'm just gonna have to rip it. But it be bad. Okay. This is the laptop for school. Ports. All ready for school.